Hello champions, I am Hardik Sawant and I have completed my 10th standard from Lilavatibai Podar High School ICSE and I have scored 97.6% in my 10th standard board exam. I would give all the credit for my success to my teachers and parents who guided me and helped me throughout my preparation. My school teachers played a very important role in my ICSE preparations. They cleared all my concepts and doubts and were there to help me after the school. I studied for around 3 to 4 hours every day, including a time for revision and homework. I adopted a preparation on daily basis and I used to study all the chapters thoroughly and revise all the concepts and which were taught in the classes. My helping hand was my parents and teachers who guided me and motivated me to solve problems. My ambition in life is to become an engineer from top IITs. My immediate goal is to crack JEE exam and get into the top IITs of India. My advice for the present batch of students would be to complete their syllabus at least 3 to 4 months before the exam so that they can get ample of time for practicing prelim papers and previous year board papers. And they should also have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep so that their mind remains fresh.